Well, here we are again. It's 1500 hours and we're actually sailing the boat now. We're 6 miles offshore. We got the monitor going and the generator. So we're making power for everything. They're trimming the sails out right now. We've got 12 knots. That's not apparent though. And we are just off Cape Flattery, heading offshore to that X. Cape of Lava. Okay, we're just off Cape of Lava. We are doing, it's the bottom one, 4-6. Wind's picking up again. We had a little lull. Now she's picking up, supposed to pick up later tonight. So, anyway, that's about it. If something exciting happens, we'll get back to you. Okay, see ya.